Hey guys, welcome back. Another beautiful, rainy, cold day here in Kentucky, December. And we're doing Tech Tuesday. We're going to talk a little bit about hood birds and how much happier your life is with a screaming chicken on the hood of your car. So, 1970 Pontiac, whole new redesigned car. And they had the old bird with the wings going down. GM design team, Bill Porter, John Chanella said, hey, we're going to do a new bird. We're going to give it wings up. We're going to give it breathing fire. I mean, look at that. So, 1973, the screaming chicken hood bird design becomes an option on any Firebird Trans Am. This car we have right here is a 1973, and it's, you know, still wearing the original hood bird that's totally dilapidated and in need of restoration. Sometimes these have clear on the feathers right here, where you can see the body color. You can see the body color through here. This is cracked and checked and all ugly. Some cars, this is black inside the feathers here. Totally your preference. Whatever, you know, use whatever bird floats your bird. But this was the smaller first design that came out in 1973. It was a smash hit, and everybody wanted the hood bird, and they still do. So they ran this version here from 1973 to 1978. 78 is kind of like a crossover, you know, little debate. Some people swear, no, this is 78 only, and then some people swear this is 78 only, the larger redesigned bird. We'll gladly sell you whichever bird you prefer. And we have them in all the different color options. You know, you can go crazy. You know, the color palette is almost endless. But 1978, they switched to this larger redesigned bird, more feathers, a little more intricate. They ran this version here all the way to 1981. This was your first design bird. They ran this one from 67 through 69, Wings-Down. Like I said, Jimmy Wright's favorite. That is JK's favorite. And then Bill Porter, his design team, came up with this redesign for 1970. They wanted to do the hood bird in 70. And the brass at GM said, no way, we're not putting a screaming chicken on the hood of this new redesigned car. But under much persistence, and John Chanella and the rest of the guys put some birds on cars, drove around Detroit and to other events, and the response was smashing. It was huge. Everybody loved the hood bird. So they finally decided to make it an option. So we're just going to set this one on here just to show you kind of the difference. It's quite a bit larger than the other bird. You've got this redesign. He's looking towards the passenger side. Scoot down a little bit. Earlier bird, he's looking towards the driver's side. And if you had the 79 10th anniversary Trans Am, your feathers end up going all the way over to the edge of your fender. Had the mega big bird in 1979 10th anniversary. They did a redesign for the 82 to 92 models, and then another redesign for 93 up. But basically, it's pick your color and put it on your hood. They're peel and stick. So if you don't know what you're doing on the install, definitely hire a professional. Jimmy Wright is a professional. He's more of the early first design 1967 to 69 Birdman. Do you want to show him your tattoo? He does have the 69 Trans Am Wings-Down bird tattooed. Put this on your Chevy truck, on your car trailer, whatever you like. If you have any questions, call the shop. We can try to lean you in the right direction on your hood bird option. Got more Tech Tuesday Firebird videos coming your way. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Check out firebirdscentral.com.